Hi guys! Good morning! So, today gagawa ako ng breakfast sandwich for my husband kasi meron kaming pupuntahan na very important. So, meron pala kaming doctor's appointment. So, meron akong bread dito, sourdough specifically yung ginamit ko dito. And then, tinoasted ko lang siya, toast pala. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng cream cheese, nagluto ako ng egg. Ganitong way ng pagluluto ko or paggawa ko ng breakfast sandwich is yung favorite ng aking husband. Very simple. Tinoast ko lang yung bread, tapos nilagyan ng cream cheese, egg, at saka itong nilagay ko na bacon guys is leftover lang siya. So it saved me time kasi meron nga kami pupuntahan this morning. At saka nag-add lang ako ng another layer ng cream cheese and then that's it. Very simple at since nagmamadali kami, and then I made two breakfast sandwiches and then coffee. Ayan, as simple as that, ganyan lang kasimple and we're ready to go. At saka always use a reusable na Ziploc para ayan, magamit pa natin 'to in the future ano, kasi hindi ako komportable sa foil. Dadan!